Hello traders! A new day, a new strategy from me. Today I will share one of my favorite strategies and use it to explain to you how to work with indicators on any platform. Be sure to watch this video to the end and let's go! This is Kathleen channel with the settings by default and the ADX, and you may color them the way you like, and I'm going to consider the whole graphic with the United States dollar and the Indian rupee. I'm considering the whole chart, and you see that there is a very great downstairs trend, and then we're having with some periods of correction the way of growing up of the quotations. So we should be here really attentive, because I need to make only positive trades. I hope that is trade strategy for me where I would find then the whole quantity of positive trades. You see here we have a situation of going down with the quotations. This is strong red candlestick right here, and I'm waiting for another one, because also I would say I need to find something relative for me in terms of the ADX, because if you know what I mean, we'll talk on the ADX a little bit later. So the first thing is to have my daily, because I'm here, you see, working only with $18. I hope that you would like it. I will go with my investment, and I'm typing here $12. And let's check this out with then the bears. So, come on. Perfect case, guys. You see, in a positive situation, as far as I told you, I was willing to have only positive trades. So I think it was the first step, and I came really well. You see, maybe it's that very moment for the pullbacks, and I'm not going to consider it minutes more. Okay, I'm going to my now currency ratios for both United States dollar and Bangladesh take-up. So what else here? I think I would also try to show you some other pullbacks. I'm really inspired with the situation concerning the pullbacks, because the previous time I was in my online trading session and then some of the pullbacks came out, and I was really inspired. I was, you know, at the first time I was laughing, but then I realized that the situation was going out of the control. So I had to go and to have all my confidence and just to show you how I came out of situations like that, like those ones. And here we can consider the view of growing up of the quotations, and you see there's a small period of correction that I think that we are missing, and now I need to convince this is a pullback. So okay, I had to have some minutes. I have to go through some kind of time so I can be really confident about making the next move, because it's not the very kind of story when I can be really confident that the quotations are going higher in the middle of the corridor, in the middle of the Kathleen channel. So the pullback is already here, but still you see the story when we need some obvious signals according to the ADX, because it's average directional movement index, and we need some cases here because we have the index itself and we have then two other lines. So in this very moment I need to not be missing the next minutes. I will go here with $20, and you see the situation is pretty awesome in terms of waiting to the next pullback. So I'm going to be really risky, and I'm going to go with the reds. Let's try. So good entry point, but you should be careful. You should be careful in this first situation. You see, I thought at first time that I came really late, but you know, yes, I came late and saw that video. The situation is going to be in good small pullback stop and a short pullback. So I think we're lucky enough. So the same as the case came that the way about going in considering the perfect entry point. So let's go further. Let's go and work with the third one, the euro and the Swiss franc. Oh, it's not working, so let's delete this. Let's go to another one. Guys, I want to briefly remind you about my trading community in Telegram, which is growing at incredible rate now. So on this channel, every day I post even more useful and relevant information about trading. There I share the news, show my real life as a trader, publish trading materials, analyze my best strategies, and most importantly, give trading signals with a 90% profitability, which you can use in your trading strategies absolutely for free. My subscribers are already achieving incredible results with this channel. Just look at them. And believe me guys, you can do it too. So if you're interested and not subscribed yet, then follow the link in the description under this video and let's develop together, and we continue. I can consider that this is a cat from here, which is going a little bit higher, and then you see the whole kind of view is really wavy. I should say that we're here facing a situation with growing up of the quotations. There's some kind of correction. I should name them as a correction zone because there is an interesting kind of story. In general, I should say that there are many waves of bullishness, and I'm going to zoom this a little bit in, and I need some time to consider these very quotations. So this is very situation with the quotations. I hope that in some period of time it's going to be a little bit higher, but I'm not even sure. I think we should go and leave the situation and to give it a time. Let's go further. For example, to the fourth one. Okay, I think that is the awesome story. More convenient for me to go through that because there in general the quotations are going perfectly down and there is small pullback, which here we're expecting it. So we see there is that very pullback with two candlesticks and maybe it's going to be no one. So well, we're going to see, I'm going to my investment, I'm putting here $40. Okay, that's it. And I'm going to go here with the greens. Let's go. So perfect case guys, you see it was the red hammer right over here, this very doji, and I'm happy that I'm showing it to you because you see after every hammer there is a small pullback, and sometimes you might say that it brings you to confusion, but we're here to have our income, so I'm happy to provide you with those kind of stuff. Though, and you see we entered with negative ATX directional indicator and that's going a little bit down, so we had our time with that very pullback, and let's go further. And let's go and find another one case. So good, perfect situation. You see sometimes the ATX is showing me the flat situation in terms of the direction, the positive directional and negative directional lines. I'm not gonna stay here maybe, and maybe I should have some time, but before that I'm going to my investment. I'm going to click here $70. Guys, I wanted to discuss one thing with you. Recently there have been a lot of new people on my channel who actively watch my videos, but rarely show the activity. For example, over the past month, the majority of people who watch my videos have not subscribed to me. This is why a huge request. If you're interested in my videos, then please like them, write comments and subscribe to my channel, because this helps it to move forward, and thus I understand that you're interested in the content that I'm becoming inspired to make it even better. Agreed? I hope so. So let's continue. Because it's an interesting case, I hope that let me think. I will zoom this out, and I just need some time before just to reconstruct the situation, the history of the movements. I should say I think that my predictions are going to go really well, because you see there's a great week right over here. Maybe the next fallback is going to come, but there is interesting strict moments with Indian bears. Okay, let's try them. Did you see that? I think that you mentioned those were dodges, and you said after some period of dodges I should mention also that it was a pullback in the channel itself. I should say that it also might be reversal. So the reverse came and we're having this amount of money. I think it was also an interesting case. Let's go further because ADX is going to show us something interesting, I hope. Wow. Okay. I think that we need to consider the quotations that I hear inside the golden channel. So I hope there is going to be a short rebound to prices. You see also that the ADX is not showing me the obvious signs because this very green line is a little bit down, inclined down, and I think I have to go and try myself because I have this very bottom of the prices, and I still hope there is now one rebound to prices within a big drop down reversal. I'm going to go here to my investment quickly, so that's why let's tap here $120. Okay, what else? I'm hoping to have my time when that I'm having my time, so I'm going to go with call option. Let's try. So good again, we just saw that the price was going in up direction pretty confidently, so we had our time. Still we see this going much higher and I'm really glad of my income. I'm going to go further because I'm out of my time and I think I have to have a greater income. You see, I'm loving talking to you, but I need to be full of my attention in making the next move. I think this interesting time which is going to come here, and I'm seeing all the quotations are here being inside the Golden channel. Maybe I should stay here and find some more cases in terms of negative directional line. I'm hoping to see some signals, but I'm having this signal line here, which is the orange one, and it has shown me not so perfectly growing tendencies. Okay, it's not so perfectly showing the tendencies. I'm gonna anyway put some dollars in my investment because we need it anyway, and I will put here $210. I think that would be quite enough for me, and I hope to have the risk of trying the call option. But let's go. So we just came through the rebound of prices, the rebound highs, the rebound up, and it was pretty easy. I hope that you like it, and I think we need to go further. So let's go to the third one and to find something almost simple and easy. So let's go. United States dollar and the Philippine peso. That was the case when we just missed the pullback of prices, and now I think it's quite time for us to go on with the reds. I'm going to my investment first. I'm typing here for $110. And I'm going to go here with a slow speed, trying my best with the greens. Let's try. So guys, interesting moment. The situation with those red dodges show us that there's star, the Doge star, and it's that very moment we've considered the quotations to start showing the pullback, and now we see we're having $775 on my account. I'm pretty glad that this happened here, so I think the strategy is full of pullbacks, and let's go further to the fourth consideration. So, okay, it is showing us some kind of a similar situation. The general story is here for the bears, and now we see, according to the ADX, the negative directional line is here, which is much higher than the positive one, but it's going to be inclined down a little bit, if you know what I mean. I'm zooming the scene and I'm trying to show you this very kind of inclined down situation, and still I will rely on the ADX index line, which is here, orange on this platform, because I've colored in orange. But sometimes on other platforms it said it's the blue one. Okay, I'm going to my investment before making the next deal. I'm going to go here with the $750. So the investment is done, and now after some periods, I hope that there is in the case with one of the pullbacks. And I'm going to go here and try my best still with the bulls. So let's try. Perfect deal, guys. I'm here waiting for the prices to go a little bit back, and you see that was the thing that I was talking to you. After some period of growing down, you see the previous candlestick show us that it's great come down. I thought that the previous correction in terms of the rebound of the prices is going to come, so it was perfectly done. So what do you think about it? I think that the situation also with the negative directional line also show us the interesting position to try on the green. So let's go further, guys. I'm going to go with the United States dollar and Nigerian naira. Yes, it is some kind of similar situation here. We're going with the down movements. So let's go. I'll go to my investment and I'm going to try to put here, let's try $1,200. And this is not a rare case when we need to consider the previous button. In a way, let's zoom this out just to know what the general situation is here still prevailing for the bears. Yes, I will try my best. I'm zooming this in and I will be having in front of my eyes this very button again. I need to find some other signals. According to the ADX, you see the green line is a little bit down. The red one is much higher. So I'm having this very dodgy right over here, so who knows what is going to be next. I think it's a risky moment. I'm zooming this in a little bit again, and I'm having it, and I will try my best trying the reds. So let's go. Super opportunity, guys. You see the previous doji hasn't triggered me at all, and I was entering the right way. Sometimes at that time is the perfect way to go on to have your greater income. So I think we should call it a day. What do you think about it? So guys, we had made a great result by increasing our deposit more than 100 times. I'm very happy with this strategy and recommend that you use it as well. Put your like and subscribe to this channel if the content was useful to you. And go to my Telegram channel to receive free trading signals for practice in your trading sessions. See you soon. Bye bye.